Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a haul for you guys. First, it's going to be my Pink and Mane kit for the month. So it's called Ocean Waves and I was so excited about it because you know you guys, I love nautical. So here is the card that came, and on the back of it, it always shows you the colors and it tells you what came in. It's called Ocean Waves. I don't know if I said that, the June 2020 kit. And it tells you what you got, the colors that were used, and a little bit about the kit. Oh, and I know some of y'all saw the bruise on my arm. I think I told y'all I had a procedure done, my endoscopy. They stuck me 12 times to get the IV in. They could not get a vein, and that's why I have bruises. I have them on both my arms, and I bruise really easily, so I don't want y'all thinking anything crazy. And I know some of y'all were concerned, so that's what it is. Like I said, I bruise really easily, and yeah, I have them on both of my arms, all over, on my hands, and it takes me a while to heal. I'm also anemic, so that's another reason. But yeah, I wanted to clear that up. Okay, so it always comes with this mesh zipper pouch, which I love because I can fit everything in it, including the paper. So I store my kits in it. I absolutely love those things. And you can buy them separately, which I want to start doing to put my other kits in them because there's such easy storage. Okay, so we got this glitter paper, which it sheds a little, not a lot, but it is so pretty. And we got a little badge. You get a badge every month. And I think it's so cute. I love crabs. I'm a Cancer, so so cute. You always get 4 envelopes. And then we got 2 ice rink, which is their white paper. And then we got this brown and pink. And then these other ones right here, they all have texture. The blue one is, let me tell you the names of them. The blue one with polka dots is called Princessa Tahitiana, I guess. So that's that one. It's a weird name. The next one is called Arroyo. Okay, maybe I shouldn't tell you the names because they're very weird. Okay, this one's called Granny Smith, like the apple. And the last one is called Rain. Okay, that was easy enough. Okay. And so you always get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 sheets of paper, and then they always do like sometimes a half sheet, sometimes a whole sheet of the like glitter paper, which is awesome. Okay, on to what else came in the kit. We got 2 glitter tapes. And do they say the name of the color? No. So one's a pink, look at that, how pretty, and one's a blue, gorgeous. And you get 4 feet of each. So pretty. Okay, the stamp set, guys, oh my gosh, I love. Vitamin C. You get that octopus that I loved so much on that card with the flowers. She is gorgeous. I love her to pieces. And then the anchor, which I love. I just love the whole thing. The crab, he's so funny. It says, you've been occupying my mind, and sometimes all you need is a good dose of vitamin C. And then you get this one up here. It doesn't really look like a lighthouse. It looks more like, I don't know. But it's really cute with the little cottage, the sun and the moon. You get a starfish and some shells. And then this looks more like a lighthouse. And another little like cottage scene. So I really love this stamp set, but I really love that octopus. So that's gonna be fun playing with that. Then we got some ribbon. And you get 1 yard of each, so 5 yards total. And then we got some enamel dots that completely match that. Pretty. Then we got some sequins. And I love these because they're different sizes. All different sizes in here. Look how pretty. They kind of look like bubbles. They're all nice and shiny. Then we got a die that says thinking of you with the shadow. It's gonna be very intricate. I already love it. I love that. Then we got a stencil. Did they name it? Let me see. Exclusive. No, it just says exclusive stencil. It looks like waves, like water waves. So that's really cool. I have nothing like that. And then you get paper. Oh, I didn't open it, guys. I'm so sorry. Let me open it real quick. Sorry for the noise. Usually I'm prepared. I want to show you the paper. Okay, so you get 2 of each. There's 24 sheets. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, these crabs. Oh, the inkers. Guys, I haven't looked at the paper yet. But I'm loving it. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. I want another pack of it. Oh, this paper is amazing. Michelle, you knocked this out of the park if you watch my video. If not, well, you knocked it out of the park anyway. Michelle's the owner. Oh, I love the paper. This kit is awesome. I love those polka dots. Polka dots. Oh my gosh. Guys, the octopus. Look at her. Oh my gosh. And here's the last one. That is so stinking cute. So the papers are amazing. The kit is amazing. So I think there's still some available if you're interested in joining, because that kit is amazing. I enjoyed it. Okay, next I ended up picking up the Pink and Mane Ergonomic Blender Brush. When you join the kit, you get 15% off her site. So I went ahead and bought the Ergonomic Blender Brush. And I'm gonna use it for stenciling. That's the whole reason I bought it. It comes with this case right here. This black case, it holds it. And you just pull it out right here. And it has the softest brush ever. So I'm gonna have to watch how she uses it. But I'm excited about it, and it's going to be specifically for stenciling for me. So that's what I got it for. Okay, so next I got one other kit. This is the first time I've ever gotten a kit from this company. It's Whimsy Stamps. It's called their Paper Door Kit, and they had Bizzy bees. You know that I have an issue with bees. my fascination with them. So let me show you what came in the kit. So you got these bees that are absolutely hilarious. So Pardon Bee, Whoopsie, Stink Bug. Do you see him? Each one is doing something. Nap Bee Poo, To Be or Not To Be, Could You Be Any Sweeter, Peekabee, Be Cool, Whatever Will Be, Be I don't know if that says Beguiled or Begilted. I have to stamp it out. And then you get those little hearts. Okay, then you get the matching dies to go with that one. Okay. Then you get this slimline die. And then you get those 3 separate dies with it that you can use inside of it any way you want to do it. Or you don't have to use them at all in there. That is so cool. Then you get a stencil. Let me see, how am I going to show this? There you go. So on one side, it looks like drips of honey. And the other side is like hexagons. Isn't that awesome? And then the last thing you get, and I didn't open it again. I am so sorry. I thought I was prepared. Sorry for the crinkling. The paper is so cute. Okay, let me show you. Again, it's 24 sheets and you get 2 of each. And they're stuck. Okay. So cute. Oh my gosh. These are so awesome. I love the colors they used. I love the prints. I just love it. Oops, that was the front of that one. They're sticking for me. So stinking cute. Oh, this one's fun. This one says sweets. Clouds. And the crazy bees. So that's the paper. So that's what you got in the kit. I loved it. Okay, so that's the end of the kits. Then I went to Michael's. Tina got me hooked on making these. Well, she got me interested in making these keychains. And so I showed y'all before those other beads that I got from Hobby Lobby. Well, Michael's had these beads. They're regular $9.99, and you get, I think this is 0.99 pounds. It's a value pack. They were $9.99, and they had them on sale for $3.97. So I got the pink ones, and then I got these for $3.97 also in the blue. So I grabbed those. And then I needed some bead caps, so I grabbed an 82 piece, and they're all different sizes of bead caps. So I grabbed those. And then I found some paper that was not in the clearance, but on the regular side that is clearance. I found this ultraviolet purple. So y'all need to like scan some of the paper, like look and then scan it, because that's what I did. Because I was like, you know what, I think that might be. So I got some really pretty purple paper. I had some other purple paper, but it is totally different. It's just called, I think violets or something like that. But it's totally different from this ultraviolet. Pretty. So I got that one for $4.97. And then I found this Blush Romance for $4.97. And it's all the pinks. All different kind of like pinks and cream almost. Like really pale. See that? And then it goes more into the pink. It's darker. And then it lightens up a little bit again. For $4.97, you cannot beat 48 sheets of paper in a multitude of color. So I got that. And that's everything I got from Michael's. Then I stopped in at Tuesday Morning and I found some Tim Holtz paper for $4.99. And I figured, hey, I'll get this for the men in my life, especially for $4.99. So I grabbed this double-sided paper. I thought it looked really nice from Tim Holtz, especially for the $4.99 price. So I grabbed this. Okay. And then I found this pack of paper called Bright Metallics. It is so beautiful. There, look at that. The metallic color, gorgeous. I don't know if it's gonna be as beautiful on camera as it is in person, but beautiful colors. I mean, gorgeous. So I had to get it to add to my collection of solids. And that was it. Yeah. So I grabbed that. And then I picked up just a few things. I picked up these Tim Holtz gum drops. If you can see them right there. They're flat backs. And they're really cute. Pretty. For $1.99. Then I found this pineapple dye for $2.99 with the hibiscus flower. I believe that's a hibiscus anyway. And then I found this background dye. Oh, I found one other dye. Let me see if I can reach it. Sorry, guys. I found this dye right here. I thought it was so cute. The little unicorn ice cream and the rainbow and the diamond and the bow and the stars for $2.99. That was awesome price. And then I found what I have been looking for months. Let me see if I can get it out for you. Yes. Okay. It is the King Artist Mixed Media Gel Sticks. I have been looking for these and looking for these guys, and I finally found one. I couldn't believe it with my eyes when I saw it. I was like, are you kidding? You have it? One for me. Let me see if I can get it open. These are exactly like gelatos. And I got them for $7.99. Valued at $17. But they come in this nice case. They are so pretty. I tried a couple out. But you can use them with water, without water. Really pretty. I don't know if they have names on them. I think they have them on the back of here. Yeah, here we go. These are the colors that come. So I got that. And then last day I did a little small haul at Hobby Lobby because I needed a few more things and wanted a few more things to do the beads. So I got the tools finally that I needed, and I used a 40% off coupon. I got a little bit more wire for the $2.49, and then these were still 40% off, 50% off, sorry. So I got the purple ones I wanted. They are gorgeous. And then they still had the 40% off at the time of the Tim Holtz, and they had restocked some of the stuff. So I got one more 10, and I got one more pack of colors. And these are the orange, they say. And let me show you a key ring I made. I made one. I need to get some jump rings I didn't realize to put the charms on. But this is what I made with the little heart. And I think it turned out really cute. I was surprised that I was able to do it, but I did. So there it is. Somebody might get it in some Happy Mail, who knows? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.